Hi friends, sharing a very small incident with you. Today morning, I got a call from one of the student asking for the details with respect to the FRM exam. And while talking to that student, basically the student was saying that the exam is very tough. People don't clear. You need mathematics. You need statistics. You need to have some background of finance. You need to have intelligence related to market, and then only you are able to clear the exam. Okay, basically the student was slightly depressed, slightly dejected, and stating that exams are tough. Okay, and so I asked him a question primarily, whether this exam, what do you feel, if this exam is going to bring any career change to you? If the answer is yes, then it doesn't matter if the exam is easy or simple. You have to clear this exam. You have to bring a change in your career. Okay, that if you come with that attitude, then clearing the exam will become very very easy for you. Okay, and this is the attitude that requires from a student who want to clear the exam in the first attempt. Okay, they are not worried if the exam is easy or difficult. Exams are supposed to be tough, right? If these competitive exams are not going to be easy, but how do you tackle that exam? How do you get the best out of that exam? Okay, and how do you strategize for the exam? How do you keep a positive attitude? That makes a very very big difference. Because the students who join me, okay, the first thing that I tell them is that you should be able to visualize your success. You should be able to see whatever is your exam date, that you are going to clear the exam in that day itself. You should be able to see that, and then only the success is going to come to you. Okay, and automatically you will start preparing it. Automatically you'll go through the textbook. Automatically you'll watch the video. Okay, so having the right mindset is very very important to go for any competitive exam, and especially the FRM exam. Okay, so share this incident so that people who are thinking to go for the FRM exam in the future, okay, keep the right attitude, keep the right mindset, and you will clear the exam.